those that are reacting or responding about Nicki Minaj's issues with Caesar, with Jay-Z, with Beyonce, she has shared a video of her and the child having fun or riding electric cars. So definitely get to see some of the comments. Nothing is more precious than the moment you share with Papa Bear. The rest doesn't matter. The cutest. Why is she always losing against Papa? Go Papa, go, good job. You enjoy your moments with Papa Bear. The rest doesn't matter. Nothing is more important. Mom and son, day out on the four-wheeler, enjoying each other's side. So definitely, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment.